Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation system, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.